So guys, in the previous video we discussed till muscle fiber. Let's look what is there inside the muscle fiber. So if we look inside the muscle fiber, then there's a tube like thing called myofibril. So myofibril is made up of proteins. The major two proteins that we are going to discuss is actin and myosin. Okay, actin is the thin filament and myosin is the thick filament with the head. So what we need for them to contract is calcium ion and ATP. So we are not getting deep into what is the process inside. So basically it gets attached and it contracts. So why is contraction of myosin and actin important? It is to generate the force so that we can move the joint. As discussed in the bicep video too, what we are basically doing is we moving the joint from insertion to the origin. So we are doing concentric contraction and eccentric contraction. So once in the eccentric contraction, there is a lot of load and the muscle is getting damaged. So there's something specific that is happening at that time when we are damaging the muscle. When we damage the muscle, the satellite cell that I spoke about earlier, that gets activated and it releases myonuclei. Guys, specific to skeletal muscle, there are multiple nuclei. That is how the muscle hypertrophy happens. So over a period of time, you damage the cell and then repair it, and the process continues, and that's how the sarcomeres and the myofibrils increase in parallel as well as in series. So that is how, and inside the cell also it increases. So guys, this is common for the strength power training that I am talking about. But what about the aesthetic look? So guys, there is something different, and we'll talk about the energy systems as well as what is different. Is there any other kind of hypertrophy that we need to discuss? That I'll discuss in the third video, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys. So the major process is in the third video. So we'll come up very soon with the third video. Thank you so much, guys.